G'day guys, Greg here. Now I was walking through the supermarket the other day and I came across this product right here. Coco and Lucas Kitchen, Swedish meatballs with mashed veggies and gravy. Now on the back here it's got a bit of a spiel about these meatballs. It says, Swedish meatballs with mashed veggies and gravy. Savoury, comforting and smothered in the most amazing rich and creamy gravy that will melt in your mouth. Our Swedish meatballs with mashed veggies and gravy is the perfect dish to satisfy hungry stomachs. Made with a blend of Aussie beef and our earth mince mixed with our special blends of spice and served with fluffy, creamy mash, carrots, peas and corn and gravy. This one will have you circling back for more. That sounds like something a press secretary would say. We've just got to circle back on that misinformation. Anyway, let's crack it open, see what it looks like. Oh, wow. That looks so pretty. Oh, looks like one of those toys or something that you get in a Lego box or something. And it's just got the classic looking bits and pieces there. You got your mash and veg and meatballs. Oh, that is almost looks too cute to eat. But anyway, how do you cook this stuff? Well, it says you can cook it in the convection oven, 180°C for 17 minutes, but up the top it says meals are at their yummiest when heated in the microwave. So I'll do that. So you just got to take it out of the box, microwave for 4 minutes, and then let sit for 1 minute. Well, that seems easy enough today. Boof. Okay, well, the cooking time is up and here it is. I've let it sit for a minute, so let's peel this off. Okay. Well, these veggies here, well, they still look a little dehydrated. These meatballs, well, I don't know, they look like they could have some sort of STI or something. Got some funny little shapes in there, not too sure about those. There's the mashed potato. Well, is it light and fluffy? Depends what your definition of light and fluffy is. And on the front of this, it's got this creamy looking sauce that, well, in here, I'm sort of struggling to see. There's a little bit of like oily stuff down there, but that seems to be about it. Let's try these veggies. Tastes like peas and corns. The mash. That tastes pretty good actually. It tastes like a homemade one. Tastes like one that I would make. Has that slight taste of reconstitution about it, but I quite like that taste and I'm not minding it at all. Tastes pretty good. Now I'll see if I can get some of this sauce, which I don't think I'm going to be able to. No, can't get any of it. Where's this sauce that they promised me? Rich and creamy, I think it said. Well, get the meatball, see if I can dip it in there and give that a go. Well, it tastes just like one of those stock standard everyday meatballs that you'd find anywhere really, in the frozen section. Not too much flavour about them. It just tastes like the meat's been patted out with a whole bunch of stuff, I don't know, like breadcrumbs or something. Quite bland, a little bit boring tasting, not very well seasoned, and not much flavour about them. That's what the inside of the meatball looks like. Kind of weird looking, isn't it? It's got chunks of fibrey looking stuff and I don't know, none of that looks like meat to me. And considering there's none of that sauce that clearly is shown on the front page of the other picture that looks amazing, then really it's just some meatballs, mashed potato and some veggies shoved in a bowl. Hardly very exciting. I really was hoping for some nice creamy sauce like that, but this just doesn't have any. I can't taste any herbs and spices or anything else. It's just pretty bland and pretty boring. Ah, that's a shame. So for my Coco and Lucas kitchen meatballs, well, the old Grego meter, I think it's not there. It's about there. It's pretty normal and average tasting, nothing exciting, and, well, I just think if you're going to release a new product and then put on the back that it's like comforting and warming in a creamy, delicious sauce, you actually put some sauce on it. Is that too much to ask? But there you go, the Coco's and Lucas Kitchen Swedish meatballs. I'll tell you what, I really do like the mashed potatoes. The meatballs are average and the veggies are just frozen ones that you can just get anywhere. But my suggestion is that if you do see this, well, you could give it a go if you want, but I'll be walking past it the next time I see it on special. But that's my opinion. Have you tried their products yet? What did you think about them? If you have tried it, let me know down below. And what did you think of this meal? Just quietly, just between you and me. Let us know. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time I review something from the frozen section in the supermarket. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the reviews are